I love this hair color now. I didn't like it before.
It'll fit your complexion though.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be doing a tutorial about how I apply individual lashes. The first thing that you're gonna need are lashes, individual lashes, and you're gonna also need Ardell lashes, and you're gonna need a lash applicator. The first thing that you're going to do is clean your lashes, and then you're going to have a glue pad to apply the glue to, and you're gonna use the lash applicator to dip the lash in the glue and then apply it to your lashes. Most individuals apply their individual lashes above their lashes, while I do mine under my lashes. I find that when I apply it underneath my lashes, it's concealed more and it has a natural look. So go ahead and clean your lashes, and then you're gonna apply your glue to your glue pad. You're gonna also ensure that you brush out your lashes to separate them, to ensure that when you're applying the individual lashes, they are applied neatly. So I dipped my lash into my glue and I'm now applying it underneath my lash. And that's how they look. I try to apply them sparsely first, and then I apply them in each individual space. A short, medium, and long individual lashes, and the brand that I used was Ardell lashes. And while I applied my lashes, I ensured that I combed them out so they are separated and they have a more natural look. So that's one eye, and you can see the significant difference in each eye, one with the lash and one without the lash. I'm now giving you a side view of what it looks like from the side. So I'm now going to be applying the individual lashes to the other side, and this is what it looks like. And they look so natural. The aim wasn't to do too many individual lashes because I wanted them to look as natural as possible, so I spaced them out and I applied short lashes first, then I applied the mediums in between, and then I applied the long lashes at the end. And that's the final look. And that's me with my lashes on and my makeup. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Really take this feel.